Today, I'd like to show you how to make a compass rose. In the older times, the earlier maps that were made often had a design in them, which was handsomely done to indicate north and south and east and west. And I've already begun. If you have any trouble knowing what we're doing, you could just go back 2 videos and find where I showed how to make 8 points equally spaced around the circumference of the circle, in which then we made some designs with squares. Briefly though, I could say that we start by drawing the circle and then choosing some point on it, drawing a line through the center to get a point on the far side, and then taking our compass point, putting it in at this point, opening the compass to more than halfway, making this arc, putting the point in here, making this arc. Then we get this line. And then, once we have those lines, you can see that I've taken my compass point, put it here, open it to more than halfway here, just judging by my eye, make an arc, bring it over here, the middle point, make another arc where they meet, connect it to the center, and you'll get this line. The same on this side. So I've drawn those lines in, and you'll notice that I've numbered them because it will make it a little easier to refer to. I'm going to draw my lines, first line from 1 to 4. Might be a good idea to erase this construction line in here. The other 2 arc crossings are outside. Then I'm going to connect from 1 to 6. So I'll skip 2, draw, skip 1, and draw. Sort of, as you can see, a bit of a V shape. And I'll be making that from every point. So it's easier to rotate my paper 2 to 5 and 2 to 7. So I'll skip 2, draw from 2 to 5, and 2 to 7, skipping just 1. I'm going to merely work my way around the circle doing that. Next I'll come to 3. I'm going to go from 3, skip 2 to 6, and also to 8. Oh, that neatly crosses there. And from 3 to 8 will cross neatly in a few places as well. Then from 4, well, I've already got the 1 to 4 done, so I only have to do the 4 to 7. As I work my way around. There. Looks like I have only one more line to draw. 5 to 8. Voila. I'll turn it this way so you can see the numbers right side up. Now, to make the compass, we're going to eliminate with my eraser a number of lines. So let's start in here. This would be for the point that we would call north. I would attempt to do this upside down, but I'm not really sure that I did it. I'll turn it up. By jeepers, I did. Okay. And I'll get this one as well. And I'll come down and do the south. That might be a little trickier to do upside down. I think the east shouldn't be too bad. The west, not so bad. But the S could be a little trickier. Sometimes it's hard to turn one's mind. Now let's do the east and the west, those lines. There's the 2 for the east. And the 2 over here for the west. Great. I'm just going to rotate it for a second. Get the east in. Get that south in. I'll look at it once I've done it to see what it looks like upside down. South and the west. And while I'm at it, actually, this point would be called northeast. This point would be called southeast. Makes sense. And these points over here, this would be north, west, and this would be southwest. Now, there's our compass rose. And here's one that I colored in, just to give you an idea. I also played around with trying to color one that might make it appear as though the shape was drawn up again. A little bit of that three-dimensional effect with maybe shadow there, the light coming. I don't know how successful it is, but that was the attempt. Just playing around. Until next time, enjoy, and we'll see you soon.